So now this is the next numerical. Determine the parallel realization of the IR digital filter of the transfer function. So given h of z it is with us. H of z is 3 2z square plus 5z plus 4 divided by 2z plus 1 z plus 2. Divide both side by z. Now this is very important step. Please pay attention. This is very important step. So when we are doing parallel realization, always remember this step. We have not followed in the previous numerical, but in this numerical we will use this. Okay, so we will move further. So what we have done in this numerical, divide both side by z. So what we are getting, h of z by z equals to 3 into 2z square plus 5z plus 4 divided by z into 2z plus 1 into z plus 2. Now from the denominator, what I have done, I have taken this 2 common, so that 2 is here. See, these 2 I will take common. I will use different color now. Okay, so 2z that I have taken 2 from this I have taken outside the bracket, that's why I am getting here 1 by 2. So these 2 I have moved here 3 by 2. Okay, so the 2 which is present in the denominator, now it is 3 by 2 in the numerator. Okay, so why I have done this, you will get the concept later on. Okay, so this is very important step. First of all, divide h of z both side, right hand side as well left hand side by z. So we will get this type of h of z. Now same thing that we are doing, convert h of z by partial fraction. Now I have written directly, it is your duty to find out this. I have written partial fraction directly, you can find out very simple manner. So we get 6 by z minus 4 by z plus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon z plus 2. And now this z we will multiply here. So what we get, we will get this step. We will get this step. So this z and z will get cancelled. 4z upon z plus 1 by 2 upon z plus 1 2. Now again these two are not in the standard form. So what we do, we take common z from numerator as well as denominator. See here, because we have to convert the given filter which is converted by partial fraction expansion in the standard form. So what we do in the standard form conversion, we take z common from the denominator, so we get 1 plus 1 by 2 z inverse as well as z 1 plus 2 z inverse, correct? And the denominator z and the numerator z will cancel each other, so we get these two terms. So this is first term, this is next term, this is h1 of z, this is h2 of z, and this is free from z, it is constant. Okay, so we will have such type of structure. Observe the structure properly. So 6, you are drawing 6 here. After 6, below 6, not after 6, after we draw in cascade form, below we draw in parallel form. So now this is your h1 of z, this is your h2 of z, combining the. So this is our next numerical regarding what? Parallel structure of the IIR filter. Now what type of advantage we get in the parallel structure? If you can recall, what type of advantage we are having here? As it is a parallel structure, what we are getting, the time delay is reduced here. What happen in the cascade structure or in the direct form 1 or direct form 2 is that there is a this structure is very simple, only single element, so its operating speed is very high as compared to your direct form 1 and direct form 2 as well as cascade form. Its speed is very high and it will produce same result just like direct form 1, direct form 2 as well as cascade form. So direct form 1 speed is, propagation delay is more, direct form 2 again more but less than direct form 1. Then cascade, in the cascade form propagation delay is reduced but not up to the mark, but in the parallel form the propagation delay is very less because it operates on the signal parallelly by subsections of the filters which are connected parallelly in the parallel manner, correct? So this is, again we will repeat our concept, we will go through the numerical again. First of all, divide both side by z. This is very important step that we are following here, and we will follow these steps in the upcoming numericals also. Then again there is a mathematical adjustment, and after that we have converted in the given partial fraction form. Now we are multiplying the denominator h of z by z in the right hand side. Now we are taking it to the right hand side, so all the z terms are getting cancelled. First z terms is cancelled, and h1 of z and h2 of z are not in the standard form, that is encircled by the green color. So these two are in the not standard form. So what we have, we should take z common from denominator. So we are converting the given parallel form of h of z into the standard form of h of z that we have observed in the first two numericals. Okay, so that conversion we get, and we will draw such type of structure. Thank you. We will go for the next numerical.